What if one of the most fundamental things in your life doesn't actually exist in the way you think it does? Every moment of your life is governed by time. You wake up because of it. You grow older because of it. The universe itself seems to unfold because of it. But what if time isn't a permanent feature of reality? What if time only appears under certain conditions? That may sound like science fiction. Yet, a recent quantum physics experiment has left scientists asking a question that was once considered purely philosophical. Can time emerge? Not invented, not measured, actually emerge. And if that's true, what else about reality have we misunderstood? Recently, physicists created an extraordinary laboratory system known as a Bose-Einstein condensate. At temperatures just above absolute zero, thousands of atoms begin behaving almost like a single quantum object. Some physicists even describe it as creating a tiny mini-universe, where the normal rules of physics can be studied under incredibly controlled conditions. Instead of assuming time from the outside, researchers watched how the system evolved internally. Something remarkable happened. The changing relationships inside the quantum system effectively created their own measurable passage of time. In other words, the system itself became its own clock. Scientists are not saying they created time itself, but they demonstrated something equally fascinating. The flow of time may emerge from the behavior of matter rather than existing as a separate, universal background. Most of us imagine time as a river flowing endlessly from the past into the future. Everything simply moves along with it. But many theoretical physicists have questioned that picture for decades. Some propose that the universe, at its deepest level, may not contain time at all. Instead, time could emerge from relationships, change, information, and interactions between physical systems. Imagine watching a movie. Each frame is completely still. Yet when the frames are shown in sequence, movement suddenly appears. Movement wasn't hiding inside any individual frame. It emerged from the relationship between them. Some physicists now wonder whether time itself may work in a surprisingly similar way. If time isn't fundamental, the implications become astonishing. Could the beginning of the universe be completely different from what we imagine? If time emerged after the universe formed, then asking, what happened before the Big Bang, may not even be a meaningful question. Because the word before only has meaning if time already exists. And if time itself emerged with the universe, there may have been no before at all. Suddenly, one of humanity's oldest questions becomes far stranger than we ever imagined. Then another mystery appears. Everything we experience is built upon our perception of time, memory, expectation, decision-making, emotion, and even our sense of identity. But if time is an emergent property of the universe, does consciousness simply experience time, or could consciousness itself be deeply connected to the emergence of time? Science cannot answer that question today. But consciousness and time remain two of the greatest unsolved mysteries in modern physics. Perhaps they are not separate mysteries at all. Throughout history, science has repeatedly overturned ideas that once seemed obvious. The Earth was not the center of the universe. Space and time were not absolute. Matter turned out to be mostly empty space. Every major discovery has forced humanity to rethink reality itself. Now another possibility is emerging. Perhaps time is not the stage upon which the universe unfolds. Perhaps time is one of the actors, something that appears only when the conditions are right. If that's true, then the universe may be far stranger and far more beautiful than we ever imagined. Whether future experiments confirm or challenge this idea, one thing is already certain. The deeper science looks into reality, the more mysterious reality becomes. And perhaps the greatest discoveries are not the answers we find, but the questions we never thought to ask. So let me leave you with one final question. If time can emerge, What else that feels fundamental might simply be emerging too? If this mystery sparked your curiosity, subscribe and join me as we continue exploring the mysteries that challenge what we think we know. Until next time, keep wondering, because every great discovery begins with a question.